Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make Ghana lines or fade in cornrows. Okay, so this is good for beginners, and here we go. Pick a small strand of braid, crisscross them like that, you see, and then I'll have to start here. I have to go 1, 2, 3, and then I have to add 1, then I have to add 2. So you can check closely what I'm doing, adding from down there. I'm adding from down here, using these 2 fingers here to pick it like that. I lay it there like that way. Then I have to turn 1, then I turn 2 like that. Then I'll pick also another small strand of braid, and then I add it like that, so I have to turn it to 1 and 2. You can check it closely how I'm adding it, so that you can understand what I'm doing. It's not something hard, it's very simple. You just believe and do it, okay? So it's just the same way of adding. From down like that, and then you have to turn it to 1, 2. Then pick another strand. You can add if you want a little bit bigger, but as for me, I'm just using the same size because I don't want to make it to be too big. So check it closely, very nicely from down there. Yeah, and then you have to rotate it 1, 2. Then you add again another strand from down, play it like 1, play it the second time again like that way. Just add from downside or down part. Go 1, then you play it second time, make it a little bit straight, and then you continue adding your braid the same way as you started, like that way. Make it straight. Have to add it again. There we go. Put it down, completely down there. Then you have to turn it again. 1, 2, so you have to continue using the same method until the end, or until where you feel that the braid is enough, or the line is the size that you want. Like this one here, I don't have to add anymore, so I'm gonna plait it like that until the end without adding, because it's the size that I wanted. Okay, so I'm gonna plait it to the end. As for this line, it looks a little bit smooth. As you can see, it's very simple and very entertaining to make here. So you can see it's very neat. That way. This was the first method of doing feed in or plaiting Ghanaian. Okay, so you can check here from the start how it looks. It has no bumps, you can see it. It looks like that. And so I have another method also for doing cornrows. You can just check it now. You have to petition your hair first, or to part your hair first. And here we go. So I have to use one strand like that, and I have to place it to part the hair here into 3 parts, and then place it like that. Then I go the second time, and then I have to add so that it can be firm. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll have to add now from the lower side or the lower part, that way. But now this method I'm not going to do as the first one. The adding it's a little bit different. Just a minute, I'll show you how it goes after adding what you need to do. So you see, like this one here, I have to add like this, and then when I turn it, I don't pick this one, I leave it like that, so it remains on this hair on the top. You put like that, you let it be, this one here, then I have to pick with that one like that. I don't know if you understand that part. I don't know if I'm explaining it nicely. But I hope you understand. After adding like this, I have to turn it 1. This one go with this one together that way. Check it again there and turn it. This one will remain to add to this one on top. So I'll be going like that until the end. This second method is a bit harder, but it's good. You can try it if you understand. As for me, mostly I normally use the first method, the one I've shown on the first line. So it's for you to decide for yourself which one do you want, or which one are you comfortable with. So that is the end of adding, so I have to plait it like that until the end. And for those who have some questions or some inquiries, you can leave a message and then I'll reply you. Any question you can ask, you'll get answers, and more. I'm only going to do only those two. So I hope you understood. If not, then you can also watch it over and over again to understand the procedure on how to do garlands. You can see these two. The first one looks slightly different to the second one. The second one has a little bit of bumps here, but the first one is very, very smooth. You can see it's very smooth. So I suggest from the two lines you can choose what method you can use.